Hey guys, so today I'm gonna show you a very special bike. A really special bike. It's one of my favorite bikes of the Harley Davidson lineup. And to be honest, I've never ever ridden the bike. I've never tried the bike out, and hence this makes it even more exciting for me because this is an absolutely new experience. From the title, you must have already guessed what bike this is, right? And it's absolutely beautiful. And I'm gonna give it a shot. I'm gonna drive it around the city. I'm gonna see how it feels and what I think about it. Guys, do let me know if you have any other bike that you'd like me to try out. Please post in the comments and I shall give it a shot. A lot of exciting bikes coming up in my vlogs. Keep watching for more.
So the Harley Davidson Road Glide is a really special bike. Sort of off-white maybe, but it's one of the best looking bikes I've seen in the market today, and I can't wait to ride it.
How's the experience been so far?
It's beauty when it's on the road. It's like, like you feel...
You're the king of the road, basically.
You own the road, yeah, basically.
And I'm tempted to agree, because look at the features of the bike. I mean, where do I start? The amazing Gorilla Screen LED, the Batwing fairing, the detail on the tank, the Ape handlebars, the amazing speakers, the gorgeous tank, the Screaming Eagle air filters, the floorboards, the rear floorboards, the ultra spacious panniers, the super plush comfortable seats and the rigid backrest, the Reinhardt exhaust, the sound of which you're going to hear very soon, the illuminated rear view mirrors. The list goes on and on and on. But before we go ahead, how about I make you hear the sound of the exhaust of this bike? Alright, now that you've heard the sound of the bike, let's take it out for a spin.
क्या बोल रहे हो? Sorry? पूरा चेंज किया, आगे का पूरा चेंज किया है. पूरा blackout kit. Guys, so I'm gonna go on a test ride of this bike. Looks fabulous. Let's see how it performs. It's good. Really heavy on both the tires. Balancing the bike, it's pretty good, but when it's on the stand, it can be a little heavy. The feeling is a little heavy. And that's the BM. Alright boys, let's see how this works. Oh, bloody hell. I feel like I'm sitting on a sofa. How amazing is this, guys? So I'm not used to a bike so big. Wow, man, this sounds so good. So good. Guys, can you hear the exhaust? It is amazing. You know, and I've tried the Ape handlebars before on the other Fat Boy I tried, but you know, somehow this seems much more comfortable. I guess because it's of the seat height. I think the handlebars are right, you know, just below the line of my shoulder, so it's much more comfortable. And it's got this backrest on the bike which makes it even more comfortable actually. I'm taking a while to getting used to the gear changing on the bike, which is normal. Whenever you try a new bike, it takes a bit to get used to the changing of the gears, but it's smooth, the engine is refined, is absolutely brilliant. It's absolutely amazing. Suspensions are amazing. I can barely feel the bumps actually. And I think more than the suspensions, it's actually the seat of the bike. The seat is plush and incredibly comfortable. So guys, short story, I was planning to buy the Street Glide when before I bought the Fat Boy. I really like the bike, but a lot of my friends and family and insisted that I pick up the Fat Boy instead. But I don't regret it, because I think you can ride the Fat Boy at any given time, and you can ride it in the city, outside. You can ride it any time you want. It's really a very versatile bike. I think this bike is good when you're going for long distances. It's a beautiful bagger. Not so sure about city riding, and it is a very heavy bike, guys. It's a very heavy bike. So you don't feel it when you're riding it, but it is quite heavy. It is quite heavy. It's a 107-inch engine. It doesn't matter how heavy the bike is, but it just flies. You can see me turn the bike left and right. It's so easy. It's absolutely so easy. Bike is absolutely amazing, guys. Bye. Super comfy, guys. Super comfy. Like, this is like so comfortable. It's not even funny. It's like heaven. Guys, I hope you liked the video. I hope you like the bike. More amazing bikes coming up next week. Please keep watching, like the video, subscribe, and watch out for more. What I love the most about the bike is a couple of things. The comfort is amazing. There's no doubt it's one of the most comfortable bikes. I think I can go all the way from Kashmir to Kanyakumari on this bike. There's no problem at all. It's just so comfortable. Secondly, I love the sound. Like most Harleys, the sound of this bike is bliss. It's music to my ears. So good. It's a little on the expensive side. I think it's around 35 lakhs. But it's worth every single penny. And just to remind you guys, I'm 6 feet tall. I'm around 75 kilos, and I'm pretty much a light-weighted guy, but quite strong though, no doubt about that. Yeah, dog's barking. I think the dog likes the bike too, no doubt about it. I think the clearance also is not bad. I mean, I've been over a couple of bumps here and there, and I haven't touched the bumps yet. So the clearance is pretty good as well, and it is certainly a looker. Every single person will turn and look at the bike. It's got so much road presence. I think when you're riding this bike, you're pretty much the king of the road. I think in terms of maneuvering the bike, it's easier than my Fat Boy, no doubt about it. I think I've been riding the bike like I don't know, man, it's like the lightest bike when you ride it. So, and I have absolutely no problem in maneuvering it through traffic. You must have seen it, how I've been riding the bike. So really easy, really simple. See, that's another bump I went into, and no problem at all. It clears it like a breeze. And I'm absolutely loving the sound. Guys, if you've seen my previous videos, guys, if you've seen me riding the other bikes. You pretty much know I am a huge fan of how Harley bikes sound, and this one sounds like music. It is absolutely amazing, and the controls are quite in your reach as well. It's designed in a flawless manner, I feel. I'm really trying very hard to find something negative about this bike or something that doesn't work, but I really am finding nothing. This bike is close to perfect, I feel. The ocean looks amazing, guys. Check out the view right here. This is the bandstand area of Mumbai, and the weather is outstanding.
So that's it, guys. I hope you liked the video. Until we meet the next time, stay safe, take care.